Okay, here we go. This is a video on the 310 SE Backhoe, two-wheel drive. Has just a general purpose bucket on it, but it does have the fork hooks on there, so that's nice. Super clean. How many hours are on this?
I think just over 2,000.
A little over 2,000 hours. Very heavy duty as far as the front end. It's got the big front end on it. Comes with actually four buckets with the one on it. Has a quick release all on there. Yep, has a quick release bucket. Has auxiliary hydraulics for a hammer if you want to put a hammer on it. I believe we have a hammer in the auction for sale that would fit this, so keep that in mind. A breaker. Wobble sticks, which is a common. I don't know what else to say about it. Super nice little unit. So anyway, we're gonna fire it up. I'll spin it around for you. The backhoe and everything works perfect. It does not have an extend the hoe on. Wait, maybe it does. No, I don't think it does. Yeah, I think it does. Let's see here. No, it does not have an extend the hoe. I don't believe it does. No. Anyway, has a street pads on there for the stabilizer, so that's nice. What else can we say, Justin? You know anything I don't know?
7.5 foot front bucket.
Well, that's nice. All right, go ahead and take this. I'll go ahead and run it around and give them a show of it.
Look at that tire. That is a beastie one. Let's see. 21.94 on the hours. You were correct. The backhoe and everything, it all works good. I already did it, so yeah, this sucker is a nice backhoe. So that's it on this video. Come on down, check it out on preview day, which is going to be the 26th, Friday, from 9 to 4. I'm going to drive it off now. You want to pick me up down below?
Yep, drive it away.
Drive it.